This parrot eats toxic fruit, but normal bird food can kill it. Meet the Eclectus parrot, the bird that's truly built different. In the wild, they feast on fruits, blossoms, and seeds that many animals avoid. Some of these foods even have natural plant toxins, but the Eclectus is built to handle them. Its gut is designed for lots of fiber and fresh plants, not fatty seed mixes. For years, pet stores didn't know this, and many Eclectus parrots died from eating the wrong food. They sold these birds with high-fat parrot food that slowly damaged their organs. Follow to learn more about parrots.